Today we are learning to recognise a quarter. To be successful, we need to know that a quarter is one of 4 equal parts. We need to know that a quarter can be written like this, 1/4, and we need to know that 4 quarters make 1 whole. We are learning to recognise quarters today. Look at my pictures. What do you notice about them? Pause the video here while you have a think. All of these pictures show different representations of a quarter. Let's have a look at each one. There are 4 quarters to the orange. The orange has been cut into 4 equal parts. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4. The clocks. They show quarter past, and quarter to. These counters. There are 3 yellow counters and 1 red counter. The red counter is 1/4 of all the counters. The rectangle has been divided into 4 equal parts. 1/4 has been shaded in blue. The circle has been divided into 4 equal parts. 1/4 has been shaded in blue. We can recognise a quarter when a shape, measure or quantity has been split into 4 equal parts. Look at the cheesecakes. Which cheesecakes have been split into 4 equal parts? Pause the video here while you have a think. Is it the first cheesecake? No. This cheesecake has been split into 2 equal parts, or we could say it has been split into half. Is it cheesecake number 2? Well, it has been split into 4 parts, but are they equal? Yes, the cheesecake has been split into quarters. What about the last cheesecake? Yes, it's been split into 4 equal parts. It's been split into quarters. The children are sharing a cheesecake. They cut the cheesecake into 4 equal parts. 1 part to Harry, 1 part to Ron, 1 part to Emily, and 1 part to Annie. They each have 1/4 of the whole cheesecake. The cheesecake was the whole. It's been split into 4 equal parts. 1 part is 1/4. 1/4 for Ron, 1/4 for Annie, 1/4 for Emily, and 1/4 for Harry. We can write a quarter like this. The top number, the numerator, shows how many parts we have. The bottom number, the denominator, tells us how many equal parts the whole has been split into. We have 1 part out of 4 altogether. This shape has been divided into 4 equal parts. Each part is 1/4 of the whole shape. 1 out of 4 equal parts. We can shade in 1/4. Does it matter which quarter we shade in? No, this quarter is still a quarter, 1 out of 4 equal parts. And this is still 1 quarter, and so is this one. Look at my shapes. Which shapes have 1 quarter shaded? Pause the video here while you have a think about it. Come back when you're ready. Has the square been cut into 4 equal parts? Yes. Is one part shaded? Yes, so it has 1 quarter shaded. Has a triangle been split into 4 equal parts? No, it doesn't have 1 quarter shaded because they're not equal parts. What about the circle? How many equal parts does a circle have? 4, and there is 1 part shaded, so it shows a quarter. Look at the rectangle. How many equal parts does this shape have? It only has 3 equal parts, so it doesn't show a quarter. Does the circle have 4 equal parts? Let's check by taking the blue shaded area and putting it onto one of the other parts. Does it fit? No, so it does not have 1 quarter shaded. Look at the triangle. Does it have 4 equal parts? Yes, so it has 1 quarter shaded. Today you have got lots of maths activities to be busy. Question 1, you need to fill in the gaps with the words at the top. Question 2, you need to colour in 1 quarter of each shape. Question 3, look at those shapes carefully and tick the shapes that have 1 quarter shaded. Remember, they must be equal parts. The next question, you need to look at those 2 shapes and decide if they show a quarter. Tick yes or no and explain your answer in the box. Then you have a mini maths investigation. On those grids there, I'd like you to find as many ways as you can to split those grids into 4 equal parts. Be as creative as you like, but remember, there must be 4 equal parts in each grid. The next question, you have some empty shapes. You need to split those shapes into quarters and then colour in 1 quarter of each shape. If you have a ruler, try and use that to make your work nice and neat and tidy. And then finally, there is a challenge question to solve. Give it a go, but if you're not sure what to do, come back to the main video at the end of your work to find out how to solve it. Good luck! Let's solve the challenge question together. Jess, Matt and Che run a race. Jess is halfway through. Matt is a quarter way through. Che is more than halfway through. Show where each child could be on the line. Let's start with Jess. Jess is halfway through. Yesterday we learnt that half means there is one of 2 equal parts. So we need to split our race line into 2 equal parts. Halfway would be about here. So Jess is here. Matt is a quarter way through. We've been learning today that a quarter is one of 4 equal parts. We need to split our race line into 4 equal parts. 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3/4, 4/4. The race line has been split into 4 equal parts. Matt is just 1/4 way through. Where is Matt on the race line? Put your finger where you think he is. So Matt must be here. Che is more than halfway through. More than. We know that halfway through is here. So Che can be anywhere in this part of the line here. I hope that helped you too and you solved your challenge correctly. If not, don't worry, there's plenty more challenges next week. Enjoy the rest of your day. I can't wait to see you in just one more week's time. Have a great day. Bye.